We often hear that the universe has a way of testing us, but what does that really mean? Picture it like this: you're on the verge of a significant change in your life, and it feels as if the universe is throwing obstacles in your path. Why does this happen? How is it connected to the law of attraction? Let's explore these questions together and understand why these tests are an essential part of manifesting your desired reality. When you're working towards a goal or trying to manifest a new reality, it's not unusual to encounter challenges that seem to hinder your progress. These obstacles can be frustrating, but they're not random. They're often a reflection of what you're truly ready to receive. The universe tests you to ensure that you're aligned with the changes you want to make. Imagine you're planting seeds in a garden. You prepare the soil, plant the seeds, and water them, hoping for a beautiful bloom. However, before you see the flowers, you might face harsh weather or pests. These aren't signs that your garden won't thrive, they're just part of the process. Similarly, before you see the fruits of your manifestations, the universe might test you with challenges. These tests help you grow and prepare for the new reality you seek. One crucial aspect of these tests is to evaluate your commitment and belief. When you're working with the law of attraction, it's essential to maintain a positive mindset and stay focused on your goals. The universe tests your belief by presenting situations that challenge your faith in your own desires. For instance, if you're trying to manifest a new job but face unexpected setbacks, it might be a test of your persistence and faith. Are you willing to keep believing in your goal despite the obstacles? Another aspect of these tests involves self-worth and readiness. The universe might present you with situations that force you to confront your own doubts and insecurities. This is not to punish you but to help you address and overcome these limiting beliefs. For example, if you're working towards a relationship but find yourself repeatedly encountering people who don't meet your expectations, it might be an opportunity to reflect on your own standards and self-worth. Are you truly ready to receive the love and respect you seek? Moreover, the universe often tests your alignment with your desires. Alignment means that your actions, thoughts, and feelings are in harmony with what you want to manifest. If you're manifesting abundance but constantly focus on lack or scarcity, the universe may test you with situations that highlight these discrepancies. These tests are an invitation to realign your thoughts and actions with your true desires. They help ensure that when your new reality arrives, it's genuinely aligned with your deepest intentions. During these tests, patience plays a significant role. Change doesn't happen overnight, and the universe often requires you to show patience and perseverance. This is not about waiting passively but about continuing to take inspired action while maintaining a positive attitude. For instance, if you're working on a personal goal and find that progress is slower than expected, this period of waiting can be a test of your patience. Are you willing to stay committed and keep moving forward, even when things seem challenging? Understanding the nature of these tests can also help you navigate them with more ease. Recognize that they are not signs of failure but rather part of the journey toward your desired reality. When you view these challenges as opportunities for growth, you can approach them with a more positive mindset. Each test is an opportunity to strengthen your resolve, refine your goals, and align more closely with your desires. It's also helpful to practice mindfulness and self-awareness during these testing times. By staying present and grounded, you can better manage your reactions and emotions. This awareness allows you to respond to challenges in a way that is aligned with your goals. For example, if a test involves a setback at work, maintaining a calm and focused mindset can help you find solutions and continue moving forward. Your ability to stay centered and positive directly influences how effectively you handle these tests. In addition, reflecting on past experiences can provide valuable insights. Look back at previous times and you faced challenges before achieving significant changes in your life. How did those experiences shape your journey? What did you learn about yourself and your desires? Understanding how you navigated past tests can offer guidance and strengthen your approach to current challenges. Note, these tests are not meant to deter you but to prepare you for the reality you want to create. They help ensure that when your desires manifest, you are ready to fully think of and enjoy them. By viewing these tests as part of the process rather than as obstacles, you can maintain a positive outlook and stay motivated on your journey. It's important to trust the timing of the universe. Sometimes, delays or tests can feel discouraging, but they often serve a purpose. The universe's timing may not always align with your own, but it is always working in your favor. Trust that everything is unfolding as it should and that each test is bringing you closer to your desired reality. Additionally, sharing your journey with others can provide support and encouragement. Surround yourself with people who understand and support your goals. They can offer perspective, motivation, and a sense of camaraderie as you navigate these tests. Having a support system can make the process feel less daunting and more manageable. Moreover, setting clear intentions and goals can provide direction and purpose during these testing times. When you have a well-defined vision of what you want to achieve, you're better equipped to navigate obstacles and stay focused on your desired outcome. Clear intentions act as a compass, guiding you through challenges and helping you remain steadfast in your pursuit of your goals. In addition, it's important to recognize the power of persistence. Persistence is the willingness to keep going despite difficulties and setbacks. It is a key component of success and manifestation. By staying persistent and continuing to take inspired action, you demonstrate your commitment to your goals and reinforce your alignment with your desired reality. Even when faced with tests and challenges, persistence ensures that you remain on course and continue making progress toward your dreams. In summary, the universe tests you before your reality changes to ensure that you are truly ready for the manifestations you seek. These tests evaluate your commitment, belief, readiness, alignment, and patience. By approaching these challenges with a positive mindset, practicing mindfulness, and reflecting on past experiences, you can navigate them more effectively. Trust in the process, stay committed to your goals, and think of each test as a step toward your desired reality. Your journey is unique, and each test is a valuable part of the path to manifesting the life you envision. As you continue on this journey, note that you have the power to shape your reality. Keep believing in your goals, stay aligned with your desires, and think of the opportunities for growth that each test brings. Your perseverance and positive attitude will guide you toward the reality you seek. So, stay focused, remain patient, and trust that the universe is working with you to create the life you desire. As we wrap up our exploration of how the universe tests you before your reality changes, it's clear that these tests are integral to the process of manifesting your desires. They are not merely obstacles but vital components that help you refine your goals, strengthen your resolve, and align more closely with your aspirations. Each challenge you face provides an opportunity to grow and advance toward the reality you envision. By understanding and navigating these tests effectively, you pave the way for the manifestation of your deepest desires. Throughout this discussion, we've explored the various aspects of these tests, from resilience and adaptability to self-awareness and intuition. We've seen how these challenges offer insights into your strengths and areas for improvement, helping you stay aligned with your goals. We've also highlighted the importance of maintaining a positive mindset, practicing gratitude, and setting clear intentions as you face these tests. Each element contributes to your progress and success. Now, as you move forward, keep these principles in mind. Your journey toward manifesting your desired reality is unique and personal. The universe is not trying to hinder you but rather to prepare you for the changes you seek. By staying committed, flexible, and positive, you can navigate these tests with confidence and clarity. Trust in the process, and keep taking inspired actions toward your goals. If you found this exploration insightful, I encourage you to show your support by liking this video. Your feedback helps us continue creating content that supports your journey and provides valuable insights. By subscribing to the channel, you'll stay updated with the latest content designed to inspire and guide you on your path. Don't miss out on future videos that get into other aspects of personal growth and manifestation. If you enjoyed this discussion, please give this video a thumbs up. It's a simple way to let us know that you found the content valuable and encouraging. Also, subscribing to the channel ensures that you receive notifications about new videos that can further assist you in achieving your goals. To stay connected and continue exploring these topics, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Your subscription means you'll have access to more content focused on helping you navigate the challenges and opportunities in your journey toward manifesting your desires. Your support is essential in helping us provide the best content for you. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of how the universe tests you before your reality changes. Your engagement and support are greatly appreciated. By liking, subscribing, and sharing, you contribute to a supportive environment where we all work together to achieve our dreams. We look forward to continuing this journey with you and providing more content that empowers and inspires you.